Yeah, I know in Kenya you are sleeping. Huku ni mchana kabisa. We are here at Rabat. This is the town of Rabat in Morocco. Number one, I want to talk about the issue of the voting. And I know Kenyans want to know who voted and who did not vote. Number one thing that why I have not been in Kenya is that we had this trip of devolution last year. That it was planned like 3 months ago, and because of 3 months ago, we had we had not known that when the bill is going to be discussed, and majority of the members of the parliament were in the house knew that the bill will come next week. And again, even Opiyo Wandany said that how can you give today a document of 284 pages? You expect the members to read them yesterday and then to internalize it and make a voting today. They bring it in the night and then they bring it to vote at night. How? Even the members themselves, majority of them were voting. They didn't know what they were voting exactly for. And that is why the people that should be blamed is not and I want also to blame our minority leader. When I just saw you online saying that you had agreed anonymously to vote today, when you knew that most of the members had gone outside the country, and maybe majority of them, you could have even taken the register where the members are you coming to vote. You cannot just expect that and then they explain to you, and then you are not mobilizing. So, minority leader, you also need to up your game. These guys knew that today is voting, and they came in numbers. For those who are the Kenya Kwanza members who are not in the country right now, they who are not in the country, they were able to mobilize those who are in the country, and that is a fact. So for us who are not, so it was like maybe you knew that we are going to the finance bill is not going, we are going to lose it. So you are doing it intentionally so that some other members could be seen as traitors because you are in the powers and privilege, the leadership of the house. You would have advised that other members, this is a very crucial, and then you can communicate to us and say that there are others and because of ABCD. That is the reason. But for me, my position was that the finance bill could have been reconsidered. I mean, Morocco, they are doing what you call the affordable housing. But this affordable housing that they are doing, you can see all these houses. This is affordable housing. But they have strategies. I'm going to share with you. These are the affordable housing that they're having. But they're not charging Kenyans. They're not charging Moroccans people that they have to pay a certain compulsory, whether even a 0.00 there's nothing. It comes as a grant, and they have like the income tax is not paid for those, and it's private. It's called private government partnership, whereby they're just doing no corporate tax to the investors, and for the investor who is there to build these houses, you are only allowed to benefit from the value and VAT, income tax, corporate tax, income tax, when you can only build for 500 units of a house. And that's why you find like a house can only come in up to around a flat can be constructed by 4 million and it has many units. And that is the kind of the conversation that we ought to have as a country. And that's why we have come to learn and do the benchmarking. So that's why I said that members, there is a lot that we need to do in the country, not just to punish Kenyans. So we are telling there's new leadership also in the National Assembly to up their game. Also be communicating to the members. Let us have people to communicate. Where are you? We are voting today. Don't assume that everyone is on WhatsApp, that everyone is learning everything. I think there is a problem somewhere. And now you should use this thing to come and tell other members that have voted yes or no. In fact, they could have gone for a PG yesterday or and say, members, we are going for a PG immediate one to discuss ABCD. Do we have the numbers? If you don't have the numbers, then let us stop playing PR to the Kenyans so that the Kenyans can see who is voting yes and who is no. So all the blame should go to the Kenya Kwanza because they have the numbers. They can decide. If the president decides to do whatever he wants to do in this country, he'll do. Unless now we Kenyans will also arise, and Kenyans who voted for Kenya Kwanza should also not blame members of parliament for failing, because they are the ones who gave them powers. Let me go and sleep, because let me go and sleep. Let me go and sleep.